my loves, it has been a hot minute. I mean, I haven't uploaded in 2 weeks. But I have an explanation, don't worry, I did not disappear for good. I have been posting on my social media outlets like Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook, so if you guys are not following me, you guys might want to give me a follow. They will be listed down below in the description box. I have been super busy because my sister and my brother's birthday is back to back and it just passed, and my sister and I, well, my younger sister and I, we were like really busy planning that, and ever since December started, it has been crazy. And then let's not forget the holiday shopping, guys, and then the gift wrapping, and I just have so much stuff going on. So it's been hectic. Plus I am trying to brainstorm some different things for this channel as well. I did change my channel art, so you guys might want to check that out. And I'm going to be doing some indoor dancing videos because it is freezing outside. We got snow this morning and it's just crazy now. So yeah, no more dancing in the grass for you guys, or I'm gonna freeze my butt off and get sick. So I don't want to do that. But yeah, like I said, I'm working on different content for you guys, so don't worry, I am not leaving you guys hanging. But I literally just did my makeup really quick to hop on here. I'm in my Azkaban sweater and I did my hair and everything. I am sitting on the floor today. This is my cute little Harry Potter tree in my bedroom, and I got some magical mail from Shauna on Instagram. If you guys are not following her, please give her a follow. She is so sweet and kind. We did a Secret Santa exchange, and mine came super late because the mail in my area has been horrible. Like, we are getting things like 2 weeks late. I've had packages out for delivery for over 2 weeks now. Did I just say over really weird? Don't mind me. But anyway, yeah, and it's still not here. So I checked my P.O. box. Well, I had my mom go there and check it for me. If you guys didn't know already, I do have a P.O. box. So if you guys want to send me anything or write letters, I will respond. You guys can just send things to the P.O. box. It's listed down below in the description box. So she got hers and she did an unboxing on her story. I got mine and I wanted to do an unboxing on my channel. So I got my scissors here. But first of all, I should be really careful because I don't know what's in here. Look at the pretty stickers. Look at that. Harry Potter stickers. Okay. Now, let's dive on in and see what's in here. So, we're gonna cut this. I was so excited today. I mean, our first snowfall of the year, guys. And I love snow. Like, I mean, spring, I like spring, but like, I'm not a summer fan. I don't know if that makes any sense. I like winter and fall, and I just love snow. So, I mean, I was happy this morning when I woke up. My sister's like, it's snowing. I was like, yay. Ooh. Oh, I should have peeked. I should have done like a blind like grab. But this is what it looks like inside. I love this. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I see something I like in here. I'm gonna open this first and then I'll show you guys the things that are unopened. Okay, so I'm gonna open this on up. The tape got stuck in my hair. Okay then. Ooh! Ooh, what's this? Look at this cute little animal! Oh my god, is it a dragon? This is this is Squishmallow. Oh, this is so cute! I love random little like things like this. As you guys can tell by my shelf, it's a problem. And like, my whole wall is covered in Funkos. Like, there's Funkos just stacked up there. It looks like the stockpiles of like FYE or GameStop. It's pretty bad. It looks like a warehouse in here. I mean, I just have an issue with buying things and it's not gonna stop. It's not. Oh, this is perfect. These socks say, but first coffee. I literally have my coffee sitting up there, but I had an incident that one day I was cleaning my room. I had my coffee on my floor. My ground is like uneven. It's like weird. And my coffee spilled and it made a big stain. And they made my coffee wrong that day too. They gave me pumpkin spice and I don't like pumpkin spice. It was supposed to be vanilla coffee. And for like 2 or 3 weeks straight, my room was smelling like pumpkin spice. It was really bad. Don't laugh at me. Yes, my sister's in here while I'm filming this. So, I mean, it wasn't good. So my coffee is up there today because I'm klutzy. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look! They're so cute! this is so adorable. Oh, I had to put this on my shelf like immediately when I'm finished though. Oh, good thing I did not order this sticker. I saw this on Instagram. I was going to order this Tonk sticker. Good thing I didn't though. Whoopsies, I have a shopping problem. See, around this time of year, my family always puts me on a shopping ban. It doesn't really work 100% because I love to buy things. But I mean, like, they're like, okay, don't go here, don't go there, like, watch what you buy. There's been a few years where I kind of picked something up that they got me and they were mad. But yeah, that happens with me a lot. But I'm glad I didn't pick up, you know, certain things. Look, she got me these really cute pins. It's Genie. Is that gonna focus or not? Probably not. It doesn't want to focus. Okay. And then, funny story, I was gonna order these Aladdin pins too, but not recently though, like a while back. But look, I got them. Jasmine. This camera, I haven't filmed it for a while, so he's like, I'm gonna work for you today. He's like, okay, whatever, camera. And look! Donald and Daisy. How cute! What else do we have in here? Well, these are really cute. So cute. I have so many earrings, and yet I want to buy more. And I do buy more, but I love this! This is so unique. I've never really seen anything like this. How did she know? How did she know I wanted new cozies? Look at these cozies. Are you kidding me right now? These are so cute! Oh, I should use that right now actually. Oh, it's Jasmine and it's Mickey ears with like the lamp from Aladdin. That's super cute. I love this. I'm digging this box. And then we have a Funko Pop keychain and it is Mickey Mouse. It's kind of funny that everything I kind of wanted to buy for myself, I didn't do it, and she kind of got me a lot of the things I was eyeing. That's a little strange. That's really cool though, like, oh my, that's awesome. I love this. Look what she got me. I am freaking out. I love Stitch, if you guys didn't know. I have an obsession with Stitch. I have so many Stitches up there and then have plushies and just a lot of things Stitch, and I have wanted this, and I know like my siblings put me on a ban from Five Below, and Shauna told me not to go to Five Below either and pick up certain things, and I had a feeling she got me something Stitch because when I went in there was a lot of Stitch. My Five Below was slacking for a while and then they got in a lot of Stitch stuff. So when I good thing I didn't pick this up either because she did tell me not to go in there and buy anything. I have been going in there to do some Christmas shopping for my family and stuff. I was picking up bits and pieces, but I mean, I really love everything in this video. Shauna, thank you so much. It's been a pleasure knowing you on Instagram. I'm so glad that we got to know each other and that we actually got to do an exchange. This is like my third exchange, I think, on Instagram. I think I've done it like twice in the past, but I didn't do one last year, and I do not think, no, this year, this is my only one I have so far. But I mean, it's been amazing. This is so much fun, guys. When you find those like communities on Instagram and those people that you guys like can click with and they have the same interests, like Shauna and I have a lot of this like same interests, like similar taste, and this was amazing. I'm glad that she loved everything that I got her, and I really love everything that she got me. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, like spontaneous, cozy, like warm holiday videos, I will surely deliver on that. Do you guys want to see a gift guide and a holiday favorites? If so, I'm contemplating on doing those, so let me know down below because this is so much fun. And during this really crazy time, I mean, I just want to do those like warm feel-good videos because we really need that. We need to be warm and cozy right now and just enjoy everything because this year is super crazy and we just need to relax. So like I said, I did not disappear on you guys. I will be back with some more videos. Until then, follow me on my social media because I'm always posting on there. I'm also unboxing my advent calendars and stuff, so give me a follow. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Turn on that notifications bell. Let me know what you guys think about my new intro, outro, and channel art. And with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
Are you standing right here? All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight.